Alright, let's go. See if I can get this to work.
lagging. But as you can see, I'm just showing you a profile of the game. Plus.
Hello guys, today I want to show you the best Twitch streaming desktop setup if you haven't got dual monitors. For instance, if you use a laptop. In this tutorial I do not show you how to set up OBS. I only show you the best desktop setup and how to play a game and read chat in the same time without dual monitors. Also, I use Windows 10, but it should work on older Windows versions as well. And first thing you download, finish download, locate, right to name your with the file extension AHK. It is name your file always on top to show up. Choose that and name your file always on top. With the file extension AHK, it is important that the file extension is AHK. Now right click on this and edit script. You can delete this code and instead type this in. This code is in the description, so you just need to copy and paste it. Now go to File, Save, and close it. Right click on it and Run Script. Now I want to repeat this process and make another script, AutoHotkey script. This time name it Transparency.
Too confusing.
With the file extension AHK.
Drop it.
What's going on, guys? Artificial Rest here, and today I'm very excited to see how you heard it in your browser. But it was a while in a full spec so difficult. It doesn't going to take. We don't have to do anything else than just other than just start up a game, and I'll start up Black Ops 3 because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are playing that. We don't have to do else than just other than just start up a game, and I'll start up Black Ops 3 because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are and as you get Metro for Steam, if you're using the default skin, the web browser I'm using and settings tabs will be on the bottom of the screen, I believe. But for this tutorial I'll be using the Metro for Steam, and it is by far the best Steam skin anyways, so yeah. But once you have this Steam overlay open, just press the web browser to where you don't have to chat, not do channel and go into the chat I have right there. And once it's ready, see. So let me go ahead and just type something from my phone, so we have something to watch from. Now hopefully you'll be able to see the word show up. We can actually see what, but we don't want to export it through the add, and we'll browse for a game and we'll add Titanfall to the list and simply press add selected program, and it will add Titanfall. So we can go ahead and start up Titanfall into Origin, a really nice Origin. That or
Hey everybody, Adam or Epos Vox here, and I've made a lot of YouTube tip related videos, but I actually can offer some stream advice as well. I'm here to offer. We have a very simple thing, a lot of, because if you're looking at the view count, then you're freaking out because no one's watching your stream. You know, if it drops to 0, you're like, oh god, no one's here, you stop talking. It's a very serious mental thing that you need to get out of. But how do you stop looking at the viewer count? Because if you're looking at your shiny Twitch dashboard, the stats are always there. Like, you could minimize it, but you're always going to have the tendency to just, oh, I'll just leave it up and not think about it too much. Or I'll check the viewer list and see that it's just me and Nightbot chilling. And a viewer for some reason, even though I'm not streaming. But there's actually a much easier way to do this and still be able to interact and engage with chat, and it might actually help better when it comes to managing your windows. All you have to do is pop out your chat. And you can do this on a per stream basis, but then again, you have the tendency to leave the dashboard up, which if you don't need, pop out chat stream. Now, if you have enough, you can interact with the chat and just leave this up. But you can go the extra step by clicking in the URL box here, selecting everything if it'll cooperate, and then going to copy, opening that in a normal Chrome tab. This has to be Chrome. I don't believe Firefox has this option yet. And then click your little hamburger menu, go to More Tools, and Add to Desktop. And this will create a desktop shortcut to this page. And so you can type in Twitch chat or whatever you want to name it. And the important part is Open as Window needs to be checked. By clicking this, it will open as a dedicated window instead of just opening another tab. And click Add. Now over here on your desktop, you have a dedicated shortcut URL box you're not out. So if you have OBS open, you can fit it around OBS and still keep your eye on the chat. And if you need to, although this will affect your normal Chrome view of the page, the Twitch deck or whatever you're using, low res and ugly, and then you just have a dedicated Twitch chat box. But in my experience, this isn't even super updated. Like, I've had lots of people chatting and watching that don't always show up here, so just don't look at it. But this makes it a lot easier to not be staring the active viewer. Smash the like button, get subscribed for more awesome tech, social media.
What's going on, guys? Artificial Creations here, and
hey guys, what's going on? I am BitAngel91, and I'm here worried about I found this on top rep. How does this work? It always stays on top. Show you guys what I found. Ready? Alright guys, the program is called wait, what is on top replica. On top replica. See this right here? It's a little box, and how does this work? It always stays on top. But you, after downloading it, install it. I'm definitely gonna put the description down below. To the link to the program, of course. You're gonna have to open up your Twitch chat channel. See this right here? Twitch chat. Alright. You don't need the whole website open. You just need the chat, right? So let's pop it out. You see this little gearbox down here? Hit it, then hit pop out, and you're gonna get this little window right here, right? So let's put it here. Let's there you go. That looks good. This looks good. See, for some odd reason, when I open a full window and paste it, the size stays limited. In case you guys want to do it the same way, this seems to work for me. I use Firefox, so whatever. After this is set up, what you're gonna want to do is right-click this little box here, select window, Twitch chat. See, and then you get this little window. It looks like this. It looks. You're gonna want to select region. Let me do that again for you guys. Done. Right click it, select region, select the size that you want, relatively close to borders. I have no idea what that does, but it works for me. Remove the borders. See this? Show borders or remove the borders works for me. If you guys wanted to be able to read it more clearly, just resize it to one screen, and then it just becomes more readable. After that, you're gonna want to select the opacity or whatever, so you can read through it or see through the game. Put it anywhere on the screen, and then hit advanced, enable clicking through, so I can start clicking through the screen and I'll have no issue. This always has to stay open. The Twitch chat always has to stay open. Leave it anywhere. Just leave it there in the background. Now, to test to see if this actually works. Hold on, guys. Gotta make sure everything's working just fine. Let's go into game, right? That's like the final truth and all. Oh, let me lower. Hey guys, so we're in game, and I have no. Well, actually, I don't have that much great of a CPU anyway. So, and I'm recording at the same time, so it might be causing me a little bit of lag. But you know what? Honestly, it's not that laggy. I'm very surprised by how well this is working out for me. this is looking really good. Like there's no lag whatsoever. I can read the chat, and just to prove to you guys that there's no problem, let me just tab into chat. Yeah, that's great. There seems to be no problem. See, it updates to the right, but if you minimize it, it will not update. Check out my Twitch
30 seconds until
channel.
minions spawn.
BitAngel91. I don't know why I would even be saying that, but that's in case you guys want to like post a reply. You can. It's so easy. Look at that. It does not interfere. The only time this gets in the way is that if you tab into it. If you tab into it, then it starts to become movable again, and you're gonna have to right click and enable clicking through again, and then that's when the problem is fixed again and you have no issues. See, works great. This has been like the best solution I've come across with, and it took me a while.
Hey, do you guys, or do you need a third and or second and third?
Wait. Hello? Hello?